Did you know the world's biggest YouTuber once had only a few views on his videos? This is the story of Mr. Beast, a boy who turned his dream into a global movement. At just 13, Jimmy Donaldson started uploading random gaming video under the name Mr. Beast 6000. For years, nobody watched, but he never gave up. Then one day he made a crazy video counting to 1 lakh. It took him more than 24 hours, and that video changed his life forever. Today Mr. Beast has more than 400 million subscribers. He earned more than 20 million to clean the ocean and give away millions of dollars to help others. He proved one thing: you don't need to be rich to change the world. You just need a big heart. And that's why Mr. Beast is not just a YouTuber. He is a movement of kindness. For more inspiring stories like this, subscribe to Gyan of Nepal.